Why are you in the sink?
Well, I am cat.
Oh, because you're pooping in the sink.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, what? Oh, Jesus.
Why are you pooping in the sink? That's why you were scratching. You were trying to cover up your poop.
With a little... It's just not good enough for you.
Why can't you can't bury that now?
That's why. Oh, you poor thing, I'm so sorry. Because the hallway door's shut. That's why she's been meowing. Oh, God, I'm so sorry.
Okay, that one was our fault. We're sorry, cat. No, you can't bury it.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Chicken. Oh, you did try to warn us, but unfortunately none of us reckons the cat. I appreciate you crapping in the sink though, where it is clean and easy to fix.
Yes.